What's up, everyone? How's it going? I'm DREADPOOL, right here at Horror Harvest. We just literally missed the Halloween costume contest. So we're just gonna walk around and check out the vendors, check out all the cool stuff that they got out here. They're still open now. We're in Rogueland, and they're gonna be open till 10, so you got a few more hours. We'll see what they got. We're gonna walk around quiet.
Where's your sister? She was back here.
So, in case you guys are wondering, I almost forgot to mention, this is also hosted by Tales of Terror. Got their spot over there. I appreciate you guys hanging out and checking this out with me. And my apologies that I missed out on the costume contest. Just some distance, and with the hurricane, supposed storm coming through, we didn't know if he'd make it or not. All right, like and subscribe. Take care.